if you're using a combination of YouTube plus content on your blog, you win him, right? The other thing that we do here is we go to Reddit. You can see that we have the AISEO Insider subreddit. And basically the content inside this forum is generated using AI. And we have 2,800 weekly visitors to this page, and it also funnels traffic directly to our pages here as well, right? So if we go to this page, for example, you can see that it's funneling traffic to our funnels. The content is created with YouTube transcriptions, and it's pretty simple and easy to generate that as well. All right, so you can see all the content throughout the page, and then that can rank directly on Google as well. So let's see if that's indexed on Google. Yeah, so you can see here it is indexed on Google. And also, like the more platforms that you publish to, the easier it's going to be to rank, right? So you're not limited to one platform. So for example, if we type in the AI Profit Boardroom here, you can see that we've got a YouTube channel, a school platform, we've got a website, we have another website, Twitter, a LinkedIn post, etc., all ranking on the first page for that particular keyword, right? Even a Spotify page right here. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, even my Twitter profile and another website over here, right? And so like you can create content on multiple platforms. It's quite easy to automate using Claude and this method that I've shown you right here. And then you can use that to generate more traffic step by step. And that's basically what's working for us recently. We've tested this recently. Again, like we were getting like 1 or 2 clicks last month. Fast forward a month later, so fast forward only 30 days later, and we're already getting like anywhere between 134 and 66 clicks per day, which is pretty crazy. So let me show you an example of the prompt. All right, so you got the example prompt right here. And then you publish across all your platforms. Now, what platforms can you publish across? Well, you've got X, you've got Reddit, you've got your website, you have multiple websites, YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. Right? Pretty simple and easy. It's quite easy as well to get a VA to do this for you, right? Like you could even just give them this video, share that with them. They'll learn the process and how to implement this step by step. And you don't even need to train them. Like they can just take the prompt. The only thing that you do need to do is a quality control, but I'll come on to that in a minute. So let's talk about the quality control process. All right. And with this checklist, basically, it should only take like 15 or 20 minutes per article. So it's quite scalable. That's the checklist right there. And essentially, if we have a look through this, you just want to make sure that you're doing all the fundamentals, right? So for example, targeting low competition keywords, creating an outline of what you need to write about, making sure your article matches the search intent of Google. And step by step, you can use all of these different steps to improve your content quality and make sure it actually ranks. And the better you do the fundamentals, the more likely it is to rank, right? For example, even the 80/20 of formatting the text now is automated with Claude, which you didn't previously do because it wouldn't listen to instructions before, but now you can get a lot better with this. You can also, for example, improve the fact checking and also reduce the AI detection score. But basically, these are all the steps in place that you can have to avoid AI fluff or AI trash, as you're publishing this content. You don't want like a website full of AI slop. And so you follow this step by step. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes per article. Publish and rank. All right. And that's basically it. And then the final stage, of course, if you're not familiar with SEO, is basically the link building.